The Minister Monitor application enables multiple receptionists or advisors to a minister to monitor all the incoming and outgoing calls to the particular line configured in this application. Now, any incoming or outgoing call landing or being dialed out from the minister's configured line, the moment a call is activated, the configured BLF lines on the advisor's phone gets activated, based on which the advisor comes to know that there is a call going on the particular line of the minister. So now, and in case the advisor wants to monitor that particular call of the minister to take down notes, he or she can do so by just clicking on the application button next to the BLF line. Now, in this case, the advisor can only listen to whatever the conversation is going on between the minister and the external party, but the advisor's voice will not be heard by neither the minister and neither to the external party. So here in this POC we have configured two of the advisor's line to this particular line of the minister. So here we'll see an incoming call landing on the minister's phone. The moment the minister answers the call, we find that the BLF line of the advisor gets enabled on both the phones. Now, in case the advisor wants to monitor the particular conversation going on between the minister and the external party, he needs to click the application button configured on the phone. There will be a message displayed on the phone saying please answer the call to start taking the notes. And now the advisor is in the conference in a mute mode which is taking place between the minister and third party. Now in this case, in case a second advisor also wants to join the conference in a monitor mode, he can do so by clicking the application button. So thus here in this demo you see that there are two advisors monitoring the call going on between the two minister and the external party in a mute mode.